Are you ready to unlock the millionaire mindset? If you want to make your first seven-figure fortune, you need to know the money secrets that successful people use. In today's video, we will unlock the secrets to making your first million and achieving a seven-figure fortune. We all want financial freedom and stability, and this video will guide you towards that goal. The key to success lies in adopting a millionaire mindset, and we'll reveal the strategies and habits that will help you get there. From investing wisely to taking calculated risks, we'll show you how to follow in the footsteps of successful millionaires. You'll learn how to identify lucrative opportunities, create multiple income streams, and avoid common money mistakes. We'll also share tools and resources that will help you achieve financial success faster and more efficiently. Whether you're starting from scratch or already on your way to becoming a millionaire, this video will provide valuable insights and actionable tips that you can implement right away. So, grab a pen and paper, take notes, and let's dive into the world of millionaires and money secrets. Get ready to unlock your potential and transform your financial future. The first secret is to dream big. Don't limit yourself to small goals. Think about what you really want in life, and then go for it. The second secret is to be willing to take risks. You need to be prepared to take a chance if you want to achieve your dreams. The third secret is to focus on creating value. If you want to make money, you need to create something of value that other people want. The fourth secret is to invest your money wisely. Don't just throw it away on frivolous things. Invest in things that will give you a good return. The final secret is to work hard. Success isn't going to come to you if you don't put in the effort. You need to be willing to work hard and stay focused on your goals. So there you have it, the 5 money secrets that will help you unlock the millionaire mindset. Are you ready to start your journey to wealth? Write your solution in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos.